So as you all may know, Samsung has already released the Android 10 update for the Galaxy Note 9 on New Year's Eve, but that was only sitting to the beta users, and then few non-beta users also got the Android 10 update in some countries, but few regions were left. So today Samsung rolled out the Android 10 update for the Note 9 in US, and it's only rolling out to the devices that are logged to these US carriers. As you can see on the screen, new firmware supports this version number, but it might differ depending on your carrier. The update includes the latest January 2020 security patch, and you also be getting some new features that you get on any other Android 10 update, including the new navigation gestures. And yeah, there is an enhanced version of the One UI, that is the One UI 2.0. So the update is official, and if you haven't got the update notification yet, so you can also check it manually by going to settings and then software update menu, and if there is an update, then you should update your smartphone. But as always, it's a staged rollout and it will take some time for the update notification to reach your device, and I think you should wait at least for a week to get the update notification on your device. So yeah, that is it from my side. You can subscribe to my channel for more further and future updates, and give this video a thumbs up. Comment what you guys think about it in the comment sections down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.